Hi friends, this is Mrs. Dykstra, and today I'm going to share with you another activity that you can find on your math choice board this week. It's called Take a Walk and Graph What You See. Before you go on your walk with a grown-up, I want you to think about what kinds of things would you see on a walk? Besides houses and mailboxes, which you would see a lot of. Some of the things I thought of were, I thought maybe I would see flower pots, lawn ornaments like a rabbit or a turtle, dogs, flags, fire hydrants, and street signs. Now that I've thought of 6 things I'm going to look for on my walk, it's time for me to take my walk. On my walk, I'm going to count how many times I see each one of these objects. Once I've collected all my data, I'm going to transfer my data onto a graph. I'm going to make a bar graph. As you can see, I started out with a title for my graph, Neighborhood Walk. And then I put all the labels down here at the bottom. These were the things that I was looking for. Fire hydrant, flag, pot, flower pots, signs, dogs, and lawn ornaments. On this side, I put the quantity, or I put the number of times that I would see each object. For example, when I was on my walk, I saw 2 fire hydrants. So I'm going to come over here, always start from the bottom where the label is and color up. So I saw 2 fire hydrants, so I'm going to color in 2 squares here. Now I saw 3 flags. So I'm going to start here again, and I'm going to color in 3 boxes this time. All right, so once I've transferred all of my data onto my graph, I'm going to analyze it. I'm going to ask myself some questions like, which object did I see the most of? And which object did I see the least of? How many objects did I see? And how many more flags than fire hydrants did I see? So go ahead, boys and girls, enjoy your walk. Collect your data, and I can't wait to hear what you find out. Enjoy. Bye.